Hey guys, it's Sugar. So as you can tell, I'm not alone. I'm with my friend.
Hi, I'm Missy.
Missy, yeah, short for.
Hi, Missy.
Yeah, and as you can tell, we have so many things in front of us. And can you tell them what they are?
Our K-pop merch, and they're mostly from WannaOne since that's my group. I mean, that's the group I buy at.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox all of these today. And she actually ordered these back in December, and she only got them
January. May January, May March, ganun.
Yeah, and we're only filming the video now. And today is March 17th.
But there's this twist. I will be the one unboxing them, but Sugar will be the one to make audio or like
Make the voiceover.
Yeah, the voiceover. First one.
Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna grab these scissors and I'm gonna open this one. And it's just a box. It's a rectangular box. First one is this. It's filled with bubble wrap, so I'm very excited about the bubble wrap more than the item. Wow! Ay, ang ganda ng packaging. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's black and it says 1 because WannaOne. Okay, so here it has a member. So I only know a few. I know I know Kang Daniel, Park Ji-hoon, Lee Dae-wi. Si Ong Song-woo, kilala ko din.
Yeah.
Ang liwanag niya.
Blinking.
Okay, so while we're gonna wait for the download, we're gonna open the next box, which is this one.
Wait, let's put it back.
Uy, ang bilis! Okay, it's already downloaded.
Ayun!
Let's move on to the next one. Never mind, we're not gonna wait for you. We're gonna move on to the next item, which is this one. So we got a picture of Sungwoo.
Minion.
This is Minion. There's Jenny. Okay, so this is the box. It's like a shoe box though. And it says 1 again, and then WannaOne here. So, oh my god!
It's like, random members so that you can pick what
random.
you'll get.
Okay, so we got this random circle thing. It's really fun.
It's a magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet. This little box, and in here, there's photo cards!
Let's open it and then let's see if Sugar knows them all.
What? I only know like 3 numbers. So this is Kang Daniel. This is si Sungwoo. Guan something. Guanlin.
Uji.
Okay, this is Ji-hoon. That's one.
Yeah, Jinyoung.
This one's Sungwoo. It's like one of my favorites in WannaOne. Sungwoo.
It's Jisoo.
Is that Dae-wi?
Yeah, it's
Oh, iba hair niya dyan. That one Sungwoo. Okay, that's finally Sungwoo. Don't know him.
Siya from NUS.
Okay, we're box away. Okay, so it looks like this. There's this like metal, like silvery metal thing, and then this is the base. It's just like a cylinder, and then we also have this piece. I don't know what it's
Because you do
for.
this.
Ah, okay. It has this like shield thing. I don't know what it's for.
It's magnet.
Ay, oh my god. Okay, it's a magnet. Wait, nakita ba nila? Ay, nakita mo phone case ko. Nakita mo?
It's Jin.
It's Jin! I put Jin. Okay, so my mom bought this in the store, and it's like Instagram, and it's one of those phone cases where there's like things
Glitter.
inside. There's glitter, and then I decided to place Jin's photo card
I thought
inside.
Jin was included in the phone
No.
case, and then I tried to look at it more, and then
Then
it's not. It's a photo card.
Yeah, it's a photo card, so I can change the photo cards whenever I want. Oh, by the way, we have like 7 items in total to unbox right now, so it's kind of a
I'm not
lot.
sure. Oh, this one.
Okay, so this is the next item. Whoa, okay, it looks like a popsicle stick. Oh! WannaOne. So high, yes, so okay, so we have 3 lights, and now the next thing is this one. I'm guessing it's an album. Oh, Kang Daniel. I say Kang Daniel.
Also, it's damaged. It's weird, but I was gonna kiss it at home. But yeah, it's a bummer. Has damages. They have their voices in
cassette player.
I'll buy one.
Yeah, she'll buy one just to listen to it. And then it has this Korean thing. So I'm gonna try to read it because it's their names. Kang Daniel, Jaehan, Guanlin, Woo Jinmi. Okay, so I tried to translate it, but the members were already written in English. Okay.
And then this one. This is my favorite. We're saving it for last.
Okay, so we're saving the big thing for last. Now, is this one?
Yes. Actually, the last album. This is hard.
Aww. Okay, so it's the same album but different version. Yeah, we don't want to ruin it. It is. It's like it's a magnet. Whoa! Here's the CD on the right side, and in the middle is the photo book, and then this one, okay, the inclusion.
Got Jisung.
She got the Jisung photo card.
Woojin covers
Oh, that ticket. Okay. A sticker with all the members.
I really want the Daniel photo card.
So we're done with the first album. Edit ko na siya. Anyway, Aqua. And still don't know. Cover sleeve.
And here is the photo card. Surprise! What's it? I haven't
Oh my God,
seen it
we
yet.
haven't seen it. Okay, you're the first one to see it.
Oh, Guanlin!
Card. Just like the golden ticket and then the lyric card again. So we had a really hard time opening this with the poster, and then we even had to search on YouTube like how to open it and how to take it out of the tube. But then it wasn't recording the whole time, so I'm just gonna show you the posters. So it's upside down. Okay, poster one. Okay, so now we're down to the last two things. We have these, and then we're gonna open this first. We're gonna save this for last because she said this was her favorite. So we're gonna go with this one, and this one doesn't have any WannaOne merch.
Got this as a giveaway, so let's get it.
They are called the, and then this is the album.
And the artists are
Longbo and Shihyun, and the aesthetic is really creepy.
like WannaOne, but from different companies.
Okay. Okay, so here's the CD, and then this is the photo album.
I'm not really a fan that much as well.
We're down to the last item. Okay, before this, we're gonna check the binder first.
Kang Daniel. And this one's not from WannaOne again. Ciao. Got here BTS photo card.
Okay, this one I'm really excited about.
One member missing though. Junior survived. This one was given to me by one of our classmates, our junior high classmates.
Hi, Hermie!
This was my first official photo card. These are all from 17. This is one person, my bias. Two photo cards. This one's transparent. Yeah, the ones we got from the...
Yeah, the ones we showed you earlier from the albums.
And yeah, this one's we showed this a while ago. From the Woodlands. You never walk alone.
Yeah.
I got it from Shopee. I plan to collect more, yeah. Now we're down to the last one.
Oh, doll! It's a doll! WannaOne Kang Daniel doll.
And then the beanie for the dog. Okay, so let's open it.
Okay, so we're gonna save the time, so that's gonna be his birthday. Oh,
I don't have a name yet.
Danny. This is the box, and then you can see the little face, and then the little suit, and then on the side it has the other members, and at the back there's the doll, and then it just says WannaOne right here.
I've been really wanting a dog, and then I'm gonna treat it like my baby.
Okay, it's 6 o'clock.
Yay!
Yay! It's a naked baby.
It's a naked baby.
So it doesn't have any clothes on, but then the clothes are here. I actually thought they were naked, and then you're supposed to buy clothes, but it does come with the clothes.
But yeah, you can buy other clothes. You can dress it up. So it's like really a dog.
Shorts, or like the pants. The pants, but the pants. And then this is a jacket, and this one's the shirt.
I mean, how will you fit it in there? This one hard baby to put clothes on. So this is the struggle of motherhood.
Yeah.
Now Sugar DC is experiencing it.
Yeah, I'm giving my mother.
His butt holding in.
20 minutes later.
KPOP,
Thai.
which is so it's now it broke. We can't really put it now. Yay!
Hi guys, so after a few months of having to film that video, I finally accumulated more albums from a span of like 3 months. So I'll show you, I got the Twice-tagram. I've really wanted this album for so long. I finally got it. I got the Geo, and my set is Sana, Dayan, and Chaeyoung. And then I've got the TXT album. This one we got from Japan, and my parents went to Japan. They bought this for me. And I got this. And I got Yeonjun and Kai Hee-jung. Then I also got some Persona albums, which my brother got for my birthday. I got the version 3 and version 4. And my photo cards, I've got Jungkook, and I also got RM for the big card. And then this one, I also got RM, and then Jin. Jin is like, I always get Jin as my photo cards. So, photo. And then this one I got from when we went to Korea alongside the Twice album. It's the You Never Walk Alone. I've always wanted this album because I love the fun songs. I got Suga as my photo card. And here's the CD.
So that was the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Hennessy has something to say.
You may check out my shop. I have a shop on Twitter. It's called Cosmic RPH. If you want to buy these flapping bunny hats, or if you click it, it's gonna pop.
So I'll link her Twitter account down below so you can go follow her and maybe get one of your own bunny ears. And here is our little baby Kandanya.
Thank you for attending his first birthday.
Yeah, it's his first birthday. We took pictures and we're gonna have a celebration later. And also one more thing, if you have any suggestions for our dear baby's name, then you can leave them down below on the comments as well. So we're kind of having trouble like naming him. Like the first one we thought of was Danik.
I have a Twitter. It's my fan account. It's Debugment. I have a WannaOne dating sim game there.
Yeah, it's so good.
I haven't
tried to
continued
play
it. It's like years. It's like since 2017.
Yeah, 2017.
I haven't
And it was so
continued it.
good, and she edits really well.
But I might create a new game.
Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more like K-pop kind of videos, because I rarely do them on my channel. Actually, I only do them when I went to Korea, so that was a vlog. So if you want me to do like unboxing videos or just K-pop related videos, then let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all to bits and pieces, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay sweet. Bye.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.